This video is powered by USAGundam. Visit USAGundamstore.com and enter the code JOEY10 to receive 10% off your next purchase. Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another work in progress for the Kyrios, and what is to be the last work in progress before painting, which will of course be the last step, painting, decals, and all that good stuff. So what we're going to do in this episode is we are going to take the arm. As you can see here, this is how it just looks snap built straight out of the box, nothing really special about it, and we are going to turn it into this. So as you can see, little added panel lines here and there just to add a little extra, some detail parts, and a little extra effort in the back of the forearm here. So this is basically what we're going to do in this episode, and we're going to touch on the weapons and accessories as well. So after modifying the arms and modifying this section here, I then realized after the fact, which don't get me wrong, I like this look better. I think it just looks a little bit nicer than having that weird little notches off in the side, but I forgot that those weird little notches were to attach the shield to the forearm. So now I'm going to have to figure a way to attach the shield to the forearm now. So in doing so, I'm probably going to use a magnet. So I'll probably stick a magnet down in there, and then I have already taken the liberties of cutting the little deals off of the connector port for the shield, and I'm probably going to retrofit a custom piece right in the middle there and have a magnet recessed in that piece so that hopefully it'll be strong enough and I can just magnetize it together and it'll work just like that. Alright, so now with the other arm completed, this is what the Kyrios looks like all put together with all of the modifications on, minus the weapons and shield. Those I really didn't do a whole lot to. As you saw, I added 2 little panel lines to the shield and some detail parts to the shield, but until I get the magnets in, I won't be able to actually do the modifications to attach those on, and not to mention I won't be able to actually put the magnet in until after I paint it. So that I'll go over in the final video, which is the next video, whenever I go over the final product. That being said, I will not be showing another work in progress video. This is the last work in progress video for this kit. Next video will make, I think, number 5, and honestly it's kind of stretching it out pretty far, so I'm going to paint this off camera. Now if you follow me on social medias, I will most likely be posting update videos and pics and stuff like that of the process of painting it and all that good stuff. But I will paint this guy up, get it all completely done, and then the next video will be the finale for the kit, which I will go over in good detail and everything of the finished product. Alright, so that's going to do it for this work in progress video. Be sure to stay tuned for the finale for this kit. As always, a like and subscribe would be appreciated if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the finale.